morning. In the last video, we learned about the Darwin's theory of natural selection. Today, we are learning about the Lamarckism. Darwin theory and the Lamarckism both are the theory about the evolution. Scientist Lamarck proposed the theory of evolution in 1801. म्हणजे जवळजवळ डार्विनच्या आधी 50 वर्षे. Lamarck put his theory of evolution. This theory of evolution of Lamarck is also called as the Lamarckism. Now let us introduce what is the Lamarckism or what the scientist says. Lamarck held that organisms acquire the characters during their lifetime for adapting to environment, and their acquired characters are inherited by the offspring. By accumulation of acquired characters over many generations, the species is modified into new one. Lamarck proposed that morphological changes occurring in living organisms are responsible for evolutions, and the reason behind those morphological changes is activities or laziness of that organisms. This concept is based on mainly three things. First, that is the new needs. Then what are the new needs? We know that the environments are continuously changing, and to adjust that the new environment, every living organisms bring some changes within them. That means the new needs bring some changes within the organisms. The second one, that is the use and disuse of organs. Now, to fulfill the new needs of the organisms and also to bring some adjustment in the environment, organisms make use of some organs more, and they are not making use of some organs, and because of that use and disuse, and that forms the use and disuse of organs. And the third point, that is the inheritance of the acquired characters. That means the characters which are acquired by that organisms are transmitted to the next generation. What the Lamarck proposed? That if an organ is used a lot, it will develop and strengthen, and if an organ is not used a lot, it will be atrophied. That means that organs becomes weakened, and this law he called it as the law of use and disuse. Now these are the some postulates of Lamarck. You study by heart. To emphasize this theory, Lamarck quoted some examples. The first example is of the giraffe. Due to the constant extension of neck to eat the leaves from the top of the trees, giraffe's neck becomes long. Now the ancestor of the giraffes are having the short neck, they does not having the long neck, and these animals are herbivorous animals and they graze on the grass. But due to the environmental changes, they have to browse the leaves of the tall trees, and by the process of browsing of leaves from the tall trees, their neck becomes extended. Let us learn some more examples. The birds like ostrich and emu lost their ability to fly because of their weak wings. Snakes lost their limbs because of burrowing activity. And while aquatic birds like the swan and duck have well developed and modified hind limbs which help them in swimming. All these examples shows that depending upon the activities or laziness of that organisms, these changes occurs. There are some drawbacks of Lamarckism. The view that unused organs degenerate and used ones evolve was accepted, but inheritance of such characters was not agreed by the scientists. That means these characters are not transferred from one generation to next generations, because this modification does not bring any changes in genetic materials, and the genetic materials when get changed, then only it get transferred to the next generation. Now homework. Write a short note on Lamarckism with examples. ही शॉर्ट नोट परीक्षेला 3 मार्काला येऊ शकेल. हे लिहिताना तुम्हाला लेमार्किझम काय आहे हे आधी सर्वप्रथम मेन्शन करावे लागेल आणि एक्झाम्पल्स देताना एक एक्झाम्पल पूर्णपणे एक्सप्लेन करावे लागेल आणि उरलेली 2 एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही नुसती लिहिली तरी चालतील. सेकंड, दॅट इज द राईट द ड्रॉबॅक्स ऑफ लेमार्किझम. ह्याच्यामध्ये जो ड्रॉबॅक्स आहे दॅट मीन्स दीज अक्वायर्ड कॅरेक्टर्स आर नॉट इनहेरिटेड इन द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. हा ड्रॉबॅक्स तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे. हा क्वेश्चन्स 2 मार्काला परीक्षेला येऊ शकेल. Keep studying, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.